Hello everyone, welcome. Let's start. Let me show you how I make red lentils dal with spinach. Oil goes in, ginger, garlic, onion. Once it's brown up, add some salt, turmeric, paprika, cumin and coriander powder. Dal is soaked for 20 minutes and washed well. Then add some water and cook for like 15 minutes before I add some tomato. After adding spinach, I just have to cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. Then it is ready. I like to add some lemon juice. Let's make tofu with broccoli and cauliflower. This is quick and easy. It can be quick lunch and dinner, you name it, or lunch for work, right? Let's start. Oil goes in, ginger, garlic, onion, and the tofu. Now let's add some spices. Paprika goes in, salt, some pepper, and the coriander and cumin powder. Add some tomato and the vegetable goes in, water, cover and cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. today in this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to support me. You can like, subscribe. If you really want to say something, write in comment box. Let me know if you like it or no. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time and enjoy.